And what's good, everybody? It's your boy Cruz, and today I'm gonna tell y'all a few things I hate about my beloved Can-Am Ryker. First off, this ABS plastic. I mean, I don't know why they went with this matte. It's not smooth, so it's like it looks dry. You gotta keep it oiled down, gotta keep it moisturized, some kind of protecting on it at all times, or it's gonna look all ashy and dull. And I don't know why they chose that. They could have chose a smoother finish, a more glossy. I don't know what the plan about that was. But a few of the other things that I want to gripe about today are the sounds. I don't get it. I guess it's like a form fitting from the factory situation, but like everything's wobbly, man. You get up to speeds and it's just like you just hear all these little all these wobbles, all these noises, man. I just put on my comfort passenger seat, and I mean literally got this out the box the other day. Look at it, it's just everything just looks dry. I don't understand why they did it. The stitching here, like it's like they just rushed things. This here from the factory, I've never bagged in anything, never bumped anything, and it's the fit and finish, man. It's always just rushed. These pegs, when they're up like this, you pick up speed, you get wobble. Like, it's just a wobbly mess. I haven't had any actual issues with the bike, no mechanical issues, except for that whining noise that just started about 2 weeks ago. I'm trying to deal with that right now, but dealing with their customer service and warranty department is a whole nother video. That's a whole nother nightmare. But right now we're just gonna talk about these little things that I just dislike about my beloved bike. Y'all all know I praise this bike, I ride it a lot, I spend money on it. So now I'm gonna tell you the things I don't like. I mean, this right here I really don't get. I just installed it, did some research, seen other people had the same problem, so I don't think it's anything I did wrong. I think it's just a fit and finish from the factory. I don't do install videos, but if y'all want to see how it goes, it's really simple. I did it alone, didn't take me too long. But I really like how it feels though, because it makes like sort of like a backrest. I guess I'm gonna have to get the expensive comfort driver's seat as well, just to fill in the gaps a little bit. But I mean, it makes like a bucket seat almost. You feel like you're sitting in it. I like that a lot. And I guess I'm gonna need a pretty lady to get on back, man, test it out. I need to know how it feels to ride 2 up. So if anybody out there want to ride, y'all holler at me, let me know, man. We'll work something out. Hit me up. Just hit me up. Back to business. These hubcaps. I know it's a company out now that's making rims for the Ryker, but why would you invent like a whole new style to make it more difficult? You know what I mean? Just to switch it up. Like, why would you make a whole new style of rim just to make it more difficult? Maybe they plan on coming out with their own custom rims in the future, so they can kind of monopolize that market. But I just don't get it. I just don't get it. But other than little stuff like that, I love the bike. It's been great. I got over 4,000 miles on it. I just love everything about it, except for the things I complain about in this video. So if you got a Ryker, if you watch this content, please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know any issues y'all been having. I mean, we could discuss, try to figure some things out, any solutions y'all have. Y'all just let me know what's going on, man, and stay in touch. You already know it's your boy Cruz. I'm gonna get back to work, looking for the passenger, for the comfort passenger seat. Until next time, I'll be right back at y'all. It's your boy Cruz, and I'm out. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe if y'all are enjoying this content. And in no way was this video made to bash BRP or Can-Am in any way. I just feel being a paying customer and continued supporter, I should be able to gripe about my issues and find out any other issues anybody else having. So if y'all feel the same way, get in contact, get in the comments, let me know what y'all thinking about. And we just gotta figure this thing out, man. We gotta do it together, you know what I mean? So until next time, y'all check it out. It's your boy Cruz, and you are watching Cruise Control. And I'm out.